How to use the Rapid Response Lateral Flow Scanner. Open the RRScanner Software. Follow the testing procedure outlined in the product insert supplied with the Rapid Response drug screening products to test each patient sample. After sample collection, print a patient-specific QR code label. Place it over the square labeled Specimen ID. 4 Rapid Response Multi-Drug One-Step Flat Cups. Place it on the top left corner. 2-sided test devices will require 2 QR codes. After the first sticker has been attached, flip the test device over and place a second QR code sticker on the reverse side. It is important to make sure the QR code is visible to ensure the code is scannable. Start a timer and wait the required time for reading the results. When the required read time has elapsed after sample collection, place the test devices onto the template on the Rapid Response Lateral Flow Scanner. Up to 3 samples can be analyzed at a time. 2-sided test devices can be placed with either side down. Select Scan on the RRScanner software using the button on either side of the main screen. This will start the scan and provide results. Once the scan is completed, the test device's image will appear in the slot, and the preliminary results will appear in the Results section. For 2-sided test devices, the status bar below the test image will turn orange. Pick up each 2-sided test device and turn it over to its reverse side, placing it back into the template. Select Scan Other Side. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that the test devices have been flipped. Select OK. Once the second side is scanned, both scan sides of the test device will appear in the slot. The predicted results of side A of the test device will appear on top, and side B of the test device will appear below it. Once the scan is complete, a green indicator will appear in the status bar of each test device. Review all results before submitting. Follow the results interpretation directions supplied in the product insert to confirm results. After the results have been confirmed, select Submit at the top right corner of the screen to submit the results to the Integrated Recipient Data Management Platform. Each result will be uploaded to its corresponding patient profile. If the results have been successfully submitted, a pop-up will appear with the message, Test Results Submitted.